Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this YouTube channel Techi Anand. I hope everyone is doing well by the grace of Almighty God. First of all, I would like to thank the organizer of Online Short Speech Competition 2020 for giving me this beautiful opportunity. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Dongche Mary. I'm basically from Kurungume district but currently residing in Bangalore. Right now, I'm pursuing BSc Nursing from Columbia College of Nursing in Bangalore. I'm from Sacred Heart Catholic Church, Papunala. The topic that I choose for my speech is effects of pollution. Pollution is a term which every kids are aware of these days. Pollution is the introduction of harmful particles or contaminant into the air, which cause harmful or poisonous effect to our environment. However, currently it has been boomed because of human activities like deforestation, urbanization, and technological advancement and advanced life. Further, let's talk about types and effects of pollution. Think it about yourself and wonder how you contribute to pollution, as there isn't just one person, organization, or government to blame, but all of us. Pollution comes in different forms. To begin with, we have air pollution, which means contamination of air. It is a very dangerous kind of pollution and which chemically and physically alter the air. The burning of fossil fuels, mining, automobile exhaust, and more contribute to it. Because of sulfur dioxide and other greenhouse gases into air causes global warming and acid rain. Effects on humans. People experience a wide range of health effects from being exposed to air pollution. Illness such as pneumonia, asthma. They also include discomfort such as irritation to nose, throat, eyes, and skins. They can even lead to person's death. It includes heart disease, lung cancer, respiratory and cardiovascular disease, and cause long-term damage to people's nerve, brain, liver, and other organs. Nearly 2.5 million people die worldwide each year from effects of air pollution. Next up, to water pollution. Water is an important part of our life. Without water, human life is not possible. We all are dependent on water, directly or indirectly. Many factors like industrial waste, agriculture waste, domestic waste that cause water pollution. As India is growing and urbanizing, the water bodies are getting toxic. Approximately 70% of surface water in India is unfit for consumption, which leads to some of waterborne diseases such as typhoid, cholera, malaria, diarrhea, etc. It also has an effect on your hairs and skins. And 2/3 of Indian homes do not get safe and clean drinking water. Water pollution also harms the aquatic life. Further, we have soil pollution, where contaminants and toxic chemicals hamper the quality of our soil. Soil pollution has a very negative impact, especially on wildlife and vegetation, in addition to human life, and groundwater are also severely damaged. Effect on health of human. Long-term exposure to such soil can cause a congenital illness or chronic health problem that cannot be cured easily. Effect on growth of plants. The fertility of soil slowly diminishes, making land unsuitable for agriculture or any local vegetation to survive. This leads to soil erosion, change in soil structure, the death of soil organisms, example earthworm. Soil pollution also leads to the poisoning of the underground water table. Next up, we have noise pollution. It is an unwanted or excessive sound that has deleteriously effect on human health or environment quality. It comes from industrial facilities, other workplace, highway, railway, etc. A sound that reaches 85 decibel or higher can harm a person's ear. Noise pollution impacts millions of people on a daily basis. The most common health problem it causes are damaged brain and hearing power, increased risk of cardiovascular disease, psychological disorder, poor sleep may occur, high blood pressure, and stress. This health problem can affect all age groups, especially children. How to reduce the pollution? After learning the harmful effects of pollution, one must get on a task of preventing or reducing the pollution as soon as possible. We must adopt The habit of recycling. Do not use plastic bag. Carry your own bag when shopping. We must also encourage everyone to plant more trees, which will absorb harmful gas and make air cleaner. We need to control pollution so as to create a healthy future for our upcoming generations. Every person on this earth has a great role to play in restoring the balance of the earth. Educate the public how to protect the earth from degrading. Be a part of the solution, not a part of pollution. Last but not the least, guys, please like, share my video and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.